can't breathe. I can't breathe. No, I'm not good. Ah! I can't breathe. What's going on?
On the 15th of December 2023, an Orlando Police Department officer responded to a hotel where a guest refused to vacate past his checkout time. This analysis examines 4 distinct legal frameworks: the hotel ejection statute and its forced entry predicate, the officer's response to 6 I can't breathe, declarations under Post-Floyd monitoring, standards, the jail drug discovery's search authority, and whether Baker Act criteria were met before any criminal arrest was made.
Hey, good, how are you? We have a guest in room 231 who was supposed to check out at 11 a.m. and he's refusing to leave. Okay. We tried contacting him several times and we knocked on the door, but he just won't leave the room. Okay. So he's in room what? 231. You can access through this stairwell. I think this will be the easiest way.
Correct. How long has he been staying here this go around?
Well, this time he only made the reservation for one night, but we called for him like I would say like a couple of months ago, because he was by the pool area and he was like staring at the wall for literally like 1 hour. So we called like for you guys to do.
So he checked in yesterday.
Yes.
And then he was supposed to check out. Gotcha. So he is.
Yeah, we've seen him already, but this time he only made for a one-night stay. I'm not sure if he has some issue with medication or possibly something, but he does act a bit weird sometimes.
Okay. Maybe you can use that too as something. Yeah. Orlando Police.
Waiting on the cyber team.
I'm sorry?
Cyber unit. That's what I'm waiting on.
Cyber unit?
Yes, that's what I called for.
That's what you called for? Okay, could you step out and talk to us?
That's all I'm talking.
Can you step out and talk to us?
Sorry.
Hey, bud.
Step out and talk to us.
The hotel wants you out of their room, okay?
Guess what?
What?
I paid for the room.
Yeah, they said you didn't pay for tonight.
Well, why'd I get charged?
Come on,
Can you show us where it charged?
Get the cyber team here so I can show them.
We're the cyber team.
No, you're not.
Yeah, we are. Yep, see? Right there. Cyber team. Yeah, that's what this
Scott,
button is.
step out.
Mr. Scott, go ahead and step
Just
out.
talk to us.
Okay, cool. Mr. Scott, they want you trespassed from here. They want you trespassed from here. You haven't paid for today and they want you trespassed. It's transiency, occupancy laws. Okay, let's go. Call someone. Cool.
Well, let's let them know first.
Go ahead, no.
Yeah. First.
Atlanta Police Department. Hey, it's the Atlanta Police Department. Mr. Scott, can you come out and talk with us for a moment? Mr. Scott. Mr. Scott, it's the Atlanta Police Department. What did he say? He's dead serious about something?
There's a chat room.
All right, you want to read that paragraph to him?
Just read all out from
Just read it out loud.
You are hereby notified that
Stand in front of the door.
you are hereby notified that this establishment no longer desires to entertain you as its guest, and you are requested to leave at once. To remain after receipt of this notice is a misdemeanor under the laws of this state.
All right, well, come out to us and let's talk about it.
Mr. Scott, this is your last opportunity to come out, or we're going to forcibly come inside. Okay.
You got the key? That's okay.
Open.
It's open. Give me the key. Right. Give me the key again. Right. Get the on the front. Give me your hands.
Stop resisting, sir! Stop resisting! right, slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down.
Coach.
I can't breathe. We're good right here. I can't breathe. You're good. No, I'm not good.
Don't talk. Keep talking.
I can't breathe. Like my foot, bro.
He's
good.
He's good.
Oh my God!
Okay, who's ever is on top, if once you guys secure him, we're probably gonna have to repobble him.
Wait. Hold it right there. Yep. Hold it.
Come on, let's let it through.
You got that?
Bring it to me.
Hold it.
Hold on. Here. Check it.
What is wrong with you?
Hey, give me a knife real quick.
Give you a knife. I can't breathe.
Hold still.
Please don't put some.
Hold still.
Come on, I can't breathe. Quit putting stuff on me. Jesus. I'm 220. Oh, brother. Oh.
Oh,
Sit up. Was that last time y'all did this?
Sit up.
When y'all got shot, when y'all got shot. You know, you that.
What'd you say?
Last time y'all did this.
All right, get your legs working. Start walking. Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
I'm trying to breathe.
Spread your feet.
Breathe. Deep breath. All right.
Deep breath.
Spread your feet.
That don't help anything.
How many? Hey, has he got his backpack?
You know, last time you did this,
Give you ample opportunity to come outside.
I asked you to call one unit.
Quit moving.
I asked you to call one unit. You couldn't do it.
We're here, bro. I'm wearing glasses. You know what I'm saying?
I'm
I'm on the side of you. I'm on the side of you.
Are you kidding me?
That's what you wanted, right?
Are you county?
Huh?
You're not even county. Orlando don't have
I'm
one.
on the side of the unit, bro.
Orlando don't have one, dipshit.
Oh, shit. We know.
Turn around.
Sure do. Guess what it is?
We're going this way or that way?
Something that's not in your investigation. I can't breathe. Take a listen.
Air conditioner
Trying to
right
kill me.
there. All right, start walking that way.
Guess what you did? You killed one of theirs. You did.
Stop resisting. Follow their instructions.
We're trying to flex, bro.
No, I'm trying to fix the problem I have breathing, motherfucker.
Right.
Where's the EMT at? Where's the EMT at? Should be double cuffed. No, I'm not all right.
You want to check him again? Yeah, just
You call an ambulance.
Everything's over there.
For what?
I breathe. I take heart rate meds. Here's what it is. It's another day in Orlando, right? Check the move last time you're here. When your own died, you can send that call.
Here, go around and get it. Good.
You gonna say that?
Why do you need an ambulance,
I
sir?
can't breathe.
All right. Just wait. We'll get you one.
You want me in or not?
In.
Look. All right, have a seat. Put your feet in.
After arriving at the jail, the suspect's bags are searched. Officers discovered a trove of drugs, prescription and otherwise, which may explain the man's bizarre behavior.
More testosterone. Doesn't this have to be prescribed to you? I know for a fact testosterone has to be prescribed. 9, 10. Total 10 needles. 10 needles.
Units for 85 on Lake Richmond.
2 bottles of testosterone.
2 bottles of testosterone. 3 bottles, whatever this test.
4214 Lake Richmond. 4214 Lake Richmond. Percent neighbor that jumped on our brother.
3 bottles of that?
Yeah.
3 bottles.
285 95 Sierra, the caller is the brother. Black male, no shirt, dark tan.
So that means injection.
Yeah.
Winstraw, INJ.
Okay. 3 bottles of that, 10 needles, and then he's got his own prescribed medications. This is not prescribed. I'm gonna put that in there. This doesn't have a prescription with his name on it, but it doesn't also look to be prescribed. What's up?
Want to help me out?
Hurt me.
What?
What is your deal?
What's your deal, man?
You always trying to hurt someone? You
I'm
can't help
always
them?
trying to hurt anybody.
Bullshit.
Alright, check it out.
Your camera's on too.
You know what? I'm sorry?
Your camera's been on the whole time, right?
Absolutely.
Well,
All 6 of
congratulations.
us.
I hope so.
Okay, so you stay right there. Alright, so in your bag, this is all your property, right?
Lacey?
I'm sorry? This is you had that bag on, and I think I have what kind of phone you have?
One that you shouldn't have, the side of your
It has the case with the little
The
stand
one
on the
you
back.
vaccinated?
It has the case with the little stand on the back, right? And then you have a brown wallet. And then
It's the
inside
cyber
your...
unit. That's the only people that should have my phone.
I'm sorry?
Cyber unit?
Cyber unit?
I see someone.
You see the cyber unit? Okay.
You shouldn't have personally.
I'm
It's
sorry?
not even the same agency.
Okay. I have no idea what you're talking about. I don't know cyber unit. There's no cyber unit.
Check your Bodycam. You had said it.
Okay, cyber unit, got it. Okay, so I'm going to read you some questions, and then I'm going to read you your rights basically. You tell me yes or no, okay? All right, cyber unit?
You're not the cyber unit. That's the problem.
All right. All right, so I found some stuff in your fanny pack. I want to talk to you about it, so I'm going to read you your rights,
I
okay?
don't know what you put anywhere.
You have the right to remain silent, do you understand?
Doesn't matter what you charge with.
Scott, do you wish to answer these questions, yes or no?
What questions?
No?
Put somewhere.
Do you wish to talk to me, or no?
It's a joke.
Okay. You have the right to remain silent, do you
asked to talk
understand?
to the cyber unit. You told me that you were them. You are not.
You have the
even
right to
same
remain
agency.
silent, do you understand?
You're an impersonator. Plain and simple.
I think
Bodycam's
I
on.
don't know if you want to talk to him, but he's...
Hey, Mr. Scott, are you refusing to talk to us? Or are we just going to go based off what we found?
You based off your body cam, sir.
Okay, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Florida statutes, section 509.141, authorizes hotel operators to eject guests and provides that remaining after a formal notice is a misdemeanor. Under Stoner v. California, 376 U.S. 483 hotel guests hold a Fourth Amendment privacy interest in their rooms, but that expectation expires with lawful occupancy. Once checkout lapses, notice is served, and the guest refuses to leave. Forced entry with a hotel master key is constitutionally permissible. The subject stated, "I can't breathe," on 6 documented occasions during prone restraint. The responses, "He's good," and "keep talking," fall below Post-Floyd standards, adopted by post boards nationwide. Current protocol requires cessation of thoracic pressure, active respiratory monitoring, recovery position upon securing cuffs, and a medical evaluation call. Using vocalization as a breathing proxy has been condemned in wrongful death litigation as an inadequate monitoring standard. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, requires force be evaluated under objective reasonableness from the officer's on-scene perspective. The predicate offense is a first-degree misdemeanor. The initial force response is defensible given active physical resistance. Reapplying a less lethal tool, going to have to repop him. During an active "I can't breathe" sequence is an escalation that amplifies the monitoring. Duty failure under current post standards. Florida's Baker Act, Section 394.463, authorizes involuntary psychiatric examination when a person appears to have a mental illness and cannot make competent care decisions. Multiple documented indicators are present: a prior police call for wall-staring behavior, persistent cyber unit delusional, fixation, and disorganized thinking throughout the encounter. These met the Baker Act threshold. Before the first knock, making criminal arrest without Baker Act evaluation the most consequential discretionary gap here. The drug discovery falls under the search incident to arrest doctrine, United States versus Robinson and Maryland versus King. Both uphold warrantless searches following lawful custodial arrest. Testosterone without a prescription and unlabeled injectable substances constitute controlled substance possession under Section 893.13. Miranda rights were correctly timed post-discovery. The subject's invocation of silence is protected under Doyle v. Ohio and cannot be used as evidence of guilt at trial. Case disposition is unknown at time of analysis. Probable charges. Trespass after. Warning under Section 509.141, first-degree misdemeanor. Resisting officer with violence under Section 843.01, third-degree felony. And controlled substance possession under Section 890.3.13. Baker Act evaluation status and laboratory substance confirmation will materially affect case trajectory. The officer receives a C trespass procedure. Correct. Miranda properly timed. Grade. Reduced. For he's good response to 6 breathing complaints during prone restraint and no Baker Act evaluation despite documented threshold criteria. The subject receives a D mitigated by psychiatric indicators but facing 3 charges. Hotel staff receives an A-. Prior history disclosure, trespass documentation ready, full cooperation throughout. 3 takeaways. First, keep talking equals breathing is not a post-Floyd monitoring standard. Any breathing complaint during prone restraint requires active protocol, not subjective assessment. Second, hotel ejection authority under Section 509.141 is constitutionally sound when the formal notice procedure is precisely followed. Procedure is the protection. Third, prior psychiatric police contact is Baker Act evidence, not background context, and must factor into the initial law enforcement response. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.